We have seen students facing a lot of problem in memorizing and remembering fact on painting and painters. And then the fact is, question on this topic is asked regularly in design exam. So the question is, why design exam asks question on any art form? In this video, I'll try and answer this question. To understand this question, first we have to understand the eternal debate that has been going on for years, and that is design an art form? Expert says art is something that evoke emotion and thought. On the other hand, design has to perform function. The work of an artist is based on instinct and it does not solve any problem, while design, on the other hand, is data driven and methodological based and solve problem. And solving problem requires knowledge, experience, research, and skill. But the dilemma is it always true? I mean, is art always instinct based? Well, it is difficult to say. You see, even before the design as a domain was developed, artists used the method of problem solving to create their work. For example, Da Vinci's proportion method, light and shadow technique. It was an artist in India who was fascinated by moving pictures and started films in the country. Similarly, it is an undeniable fact that designers pay attention to aesthetics also, which is an emotion evoking trait. Moreover, work of an artist has been a source of inspiration for designers and architects around the world for many years. For example, Vincent van Gogh has become a source of inspiration for constructing smart highways project in Europe. Now the point I'm trying to make here is that this debate will go on. But one thing that we can definitely conclude is that design is at least the subset of art, if not completely separate from it. Now to create a good design, one need to appreciate art. Remember, a low view of art is also a low view of design. And to appreciate art, one needs to understand the thought process, the context, and the society when these works were created. We need to understand the efforts put in to create a piece of art. Once we understand that, the work that we create will push us to think, rethink, and put more effort to touch that benchmark. And it is only then that we evolve and become a good designer. That is, we inspire from things around us. So next time when you see a question on art form, try to understand that this is a prerequisite for designers to understand. But there is still one question unanswered, and that is how to read this topic. Well, like I already said, you need to understand the context and the background when they were created. And once you understood that, they will automatically get saved here. So that's it from my side. I hope this video was useful for you. We'll be coming up with more such videos. So keep watching and keep preparing.